Okay, so here we are, just about to screw the faceplate on this mortise lock I've just put in. It's going to lock like that, lock the outside handle, and then the inside handle is always going to stay free. Grab some screws. Oh, well, that's it. Okay, so we've just finished these two doors off, and we've got the mortise locks in. So this is door number one. Nice mortise lock, not too shabby. Now my door closer is up the top on this one, and on the other door, same thing, mortise lock and my door closer. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how close we can get these doors. They should, alright, so I'm going to open both of these doors at the same time. Like the right hand one's closing a bit quicker, and then the left one does. That's pretty good. I could get it absolutely spot on, but I think that will do.